Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove all downloads on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Spotify, and if I go to my library and click on a playlist, you'll see it's got the green symbol next to that playlist, so that just means them songs have been downloaded. So to remove the downloads, just click on your profile icon on the home page, then go into settings and privacy. If you scroll down, underneath storage, you should see remove all downloads. This just means remove all of the Spotify content you have downloaded for offline use. So you just click on there and it'll just let you know current downloaded content will no longer be available on this device when offline. So if you're happy with that, just select remove, and if I go back to my playlist, you'll see the green download symbol has been removed on there. So that's how you can remove all downloads on Spotify. Thanks for watching.